So in the initiation site of the prokaryote, AUG is going to be specified for formyl methionine, and when we are going to be talk about the AUG codon which is present at the initiation site of the eukaryote, it is going to be specified for only methionine. But one more type of the AUG codon we have observed into the both prokaryote as well as eukaryote, and this is nothing but internal AUG codon in eukaryote and prokaryote. In both situation, in eukaryote as well as prokaryote, it is going to be code for normal methionine. So this is the ambiguous nature that we are going to be observed with the AUG. Another example and exception related with this ambiguous nature of the codon, and this is nothing but the GUG codon. So GUG codon is actually going to be code or going to be specify the valine amino acid into the protein, but in some cases whenever AUG codon is not available in the initiation site and GUG codon is act as an initiation codon, in that case this GUG is specify the methionine or formyl methionine rather than the valine. So this is the two exception of the non-ambiguous nature of the codon, so which is going to be shown by the AUG and GUG. Let's see the next property of the genetic codon is the degenerate or degeneracy. So we are already talk about this one. Total number of the codon is the 64, and up to this day only 20 amino acids are discovered from the protein. So one more thing we should take into the consideration, more than one codon is specified the same amino acid. बऱ्याच वेळा नॉन ambiguous नेचर आणि डिजनरेसी याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्युजन होण्याची शक्यता असते. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू बी से दैट कि वन कोडॉन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी कोड फॉर टू डिफरेंट अमीनो एसिड, but it is possible that more than two codon can specify the same amino acid. So this is the two different thing. So genetic codon shows degeneracy but not show ambiguous nature. So let's see what is degeneracy. Because 64 codon and it is going to be code for 20 amino acid, more than one codon having ability to specify the same amino acids. आता 64 total codon मधले 3 codons are the stop codon which include UAA, UAG, UGA, ochre, umber, opal. So this is not at all going to be code for or going to be specify any amino acid into the protein. So what we call them as a stop codon and termination codon. So we are not considering here for these 3 codon. So we are take in consideration only remaining 61 codons. So 61 codon, because codes for the 20 amino acid, we are going to be say that the codon are showing degeneracy, they are degenerate. So 2 or more codons specify for the same amino acid. But sometime this question may ask, what are the codons which are picky? So picky word is exactly opposite to the degenerate. So degenerate means that the more than 2 codons may specify single amino acid. But picky means what? That only these amino acids are coded by single codon, not by others. For example, AUG codon hai. So this AUG codon is the picky codon which is only going to be coded for methionine. UGG is the another codon. This is the only codon which is going to be coded for tryptophan. So AUG and UGG, these are the picky codons which is not going to be show the degeneracy, and they are only specify the single amino acid, only the single codons which specify the particular amino acid. यामध्ये परत इथे स्टार्ट कोडॉन आहे. So start codon are maybe both AUG and GUG, and this both are going to be code for the methionine. So this is the just exception. Here I am going to be explain the all properties that we are taught in this short lecture with the one mRNA chain. So let's see. So this is the total mRNA chain which consists the some codons which is going to be specified for the particular amino acids. So at this side is the 5 prime side. So we are going to be read the codon from this side to the this side. So at the initial stage, as usual, AUG codon is present at here. So if this mRNA molecule is eukaryotic mRNA molecule, this AUG is going to be code for only methionine. And if this mRNA molecule belongs to the prokaryote, it is going to be code for formal methionine. Okay, so this is the picky codon, only going to be code for only codon which is going to be code for methionine. None of other codon is going to be code for methionine. But one more exception we observe in the some cases. If AUG is not available, so here it may consist GUG, which is going to be act as an initiation codon, but still it is going to be specified same amino acid methionine and formal methionine. Let's see next one. Triple C proline, triple G glycine. Then we are observe here the degeneracy. Why we are going to be say here degeneracy? Because here is the codon GGG which is going to be specified glycine, and then we are having the another codon GGA, but still it is going to be code for glycine only. So two codon but going to be code for same amino acid. So this is the phenomenon of degeneracy. And one more thing which is very important related with the degeneracy. So degeneracy is going to be observed because the third position of the codon, this is not matter much, because this third position is not having the much importance. Even the change of the nucleotide at the third position, they not at all going to be show change into the amino acid. Amino acid मध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारचा change दाखवणार नाही. So why this third position is not important, that we are discussing into the next lecture. So here we have observed the degeneracy. Then AUG, so this is the internal AUG. This is the AUG at the initiation site. This is the termination site. And because this AUG is present at the internal, we call this as an internal codon AUG, and it is normally code for the methionine in both eukaryote as well as prokaryote. Then GUG, because it is internal GUG, it is normally coded as an valine. But if this GUG is present at this side and this AUG is absent, then it is going to be code for methionine. यानी methionine code केला असता. म्हणजे जर हा AUG नसता तर आणि त्याच्या ठिकाणी जर हा GUG असता at the initiation site, तर this GUG code for the methionine. Okay, code for the methionine. Logic is very simple. Methionine is essential for initiation of polypeptide synthesis. So if methionine is not present at the initiation site of the पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन किंवा पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन ज्यावेळी चालू होते सिंथेसाइज व्हायला, त्यावेळी पहिला अमिनो ऍसिड जर मिथेओनिन नसेल तर दिस पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एक्सटेंड. सो दॅट वी नीड दी मिथेओनिन ॲट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द पॉलीपेप्टाइड at the end, so that the synthesis is going to be occur. Then AAA lysine, UUU phenylalanine. So we just memorize for the some codons and their specific amino acid, so that we are going to be take CCC proline, GGG glycine, AAA lysine and UUU phenylalanine. Then I am going to be taken here the one more UGG tryptophan, because this is another picky codon this is the only codon which is going to be code for tryptophan. And at the last, we want to be terminate this mRNA molecule, or we want to be terminate the translation process of this all amino acid. So we are having the stop codon UAA. This is nothing but OCRA. And because the stop codon UAA, UAG, UGA, those are not specify any type of the amino acid into the polypeptide chain, it is going to be terminated the synthesis of peptide. Peptide synthesis जे आहे ती peptide synthesis terminate होईल. So because this is not going to be specified for any amino acid. So first amino acid is going to be added, then it is added with the proline by formation of one peptide bond, then one more, then one more, then one more. As like this manner, it will becomes up to the tryptophan. But at the UAA, because it is not going to be specify any amino acid, there was don't have the any choice to add the amino acid at here in front of the tryptophan. So the chain termination is going to be occur, and whatever the protein is going to be synthesized, it carries total 11 amino acid consist methionine or hormone methionine, proline, glycine, methionine, valine, lysine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. Okay, so even all these mRNA molecule carries the codon 12, okay, including this 11 and this is one more. Still they consist the only 11 amino acids, because stop codon is not going to be code for any amino acid. So stop codon does not add any amino acid into the polypeptide chain. So this is the some important properties related with the genetic codon. फक्त एक छोटासा overview घेतो. So we are talk about the genetic codon. Genetic codon is nothing but the 3 nucleotide sequence present on the mRNA molecule, which is going to be specified for particular amino acid into the protein. So what are the characteristics of the codon? So first important characteristic of the codon is triplet. So codon carries the 3 nucleotide sequence. So this is the first characteristic. So how they are comes to know about this thing? They are just take the some hypothesis like that. If individual nucleotide, single nucleotide is going to be code for amino acid, then there was possibility to form only the 4 amino acid. How? तर A, U, G, C आहे 4 प्रकारचे न्यूक्लियोटाइड आणि it is having ability to only 4 amino acid. But we are need the minimum 20 different codon, so that it is going to be specified 20 different amino acid that is already discovered. Then they consider may nucleotide are duplet, but if we are consider nucleotide are duplet, codon are duplet, we will get still only the 16 codon. Because it will get the 16 different types of the codon, it specifies 16 amino acid. Still it is not achieve the whatever number of different codon we need. Then consider the codons are triplet, it will get the number 64, and then they are going to be make it cross check. Then they cross check by preparation of the copolymer and homopolymer, and after the synthetic preparation of this copolymer homopolymer of mRNA molecule, they observe the codon of the triplet. Okay, then for example UUU, it is going to be code for phenylalanine, AUG methionine, AAA lysine. These are the some examples. Second characteristics of the codon is codon are non-ambiguous. So codon are non-ambiguous. Ambiguous means that whatever this codon, they are not carries the more than one meanings, more than one sense. They don't carry the more than one sense. त्याला आपण non-ambiguous nature of codon असं म्हणतो. So codon is always carries the single meaning, single sense. One particular codon is going to be specified for specific amino acid only. Okay, but this non-ambiguous nature have some exceptions. For example, AUG, it is the exception for non-ambiguous characteristics of the codon, because AUG when present into the initiation site of the prokaryote, it code for hormel methionine. In initiation site of the eukaryote, it is code for methionine. So this is having the some structural changes. So we are consider it as an exception. And one more thing we have observed, whenever we are going to be find the AUG codon in the internal of eukaryote and prokaryote, always it is going to be code for methionine only. One more exception, GUG. Whenever at the initiation site AUG is absent, GUG is present, it is going to be code for valine. But if same GUG is present in the internal, it is going to be code for valine only. If it is present at the initiation site, it is going to be code for methionine. ओके, म्हणजे GUG जर इनिशिएशन साइडला असेल आणि AUG च्या ऐवजी, तर इट इज गोइंग टू बी कोड फॉर methionine. But if it is present in the internal side, it is going to be code for valine. Degeneracy. So degeneracy, it means that the two or more codons specify the same amino acid. So 64 total codons are prepared with this product. Out of these, the 3 codons are the stop codons, so we have not considered this one. So remaining 61 codon is going to be code for amino acid. But still, number of amino acid is not 61. It is just 20. It means that more than one codon code for the same amino acid. Okay, त्याला आपण degeneracy म्हणतो किंवा degenerate म्हणतो. So that we are going to be observe. पण त्यामध्ये परत 2 codons are the very picky. एक AUG आहे, UGG आहे. These are the specified for methionine and tryptophan. Methionine and tryptophan amino acid is coded from the only single codon from each, for each. That is, AUG is the only codon which is going to be code for methionine, and UGG is the only codon which is code for tryptophan. Note that this is having this one exception for AUG, but it is just exceptional. So this is about the first 3 properties of the genetic codon. Whatever the other properties, we will see into the next video. Thank you.